Why does your scanner show the P2667 engine code? What does it mean? P2667 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel shutoff valve B control circuit high. The P2667 engine code indicate the engine control module ECM or powertrain control module PCM has detected higher than expected voltage in the electrical circuit that controls the secondary fuel shutoff valve. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel shutoff valve, damaged wiring harness, corroded electrical connectors, blown fuses or poor ground, failed ECM or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Honda, Toyota, Hyundai, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.